guys, we're using the caulk gun, so we're filling in the hole up through here. What's up, my friends? Welcome back to another unboxing. For today's video, we're checking out this cordless 20-volt caulk gun. So guys, let's go ahead and show you what you guys get. So this one is for use with 10-ounce cartridges. Let's go ahead and show you guys. So guys, inside the box, they give you a manual, and they give you not one, but two. That's right, two 20-volt batteries. The specs are 20 volt, normal 18.5 volts, lithium ion 2.0 AH 37WH. So two of them. They give you your battery charger. It is just a regular 2-prong outlet, and you can charge one battery at a time. And there is an indicator light, red and blue, to let you know if it's done charging or still charging. Now, what you guys have been waiting for, this is it. So this is the caulk gun. Very nice. Like, this is really nice, guys. Very impressive. Wow. So the battery just goes in the bottom like this. Oh, look at that, guys. They even have an indicator light on the battery to let you know how much battery is left. That is amazing. All right, so you got a little light right on here as well. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, I get it. So you change the position. So guys, to freely move this pin, so when you have already exhausted all the caulk inside the bottle, press this button right here. You press that and now pull this back, and then let go of that button and then push this forward a little bit, and now you're ready to go. So how this is going to work is you press the trigger, and it's going to push the caulk up as you're going, and if you stop, it actually pulls back just a little bit to keep the pressure off of the caulk from continuing to come out. So this is very nice. You do have automatic mode, so it can automatically work. Let's see if we can show you guys how automatic mode works. So let's actually first pull this back a little bit. Oh, this is so nice. This is really nice, highly made quality and very nice. So press the trigger, and then you see this button right here. Press that button and holding that button, let go of the trigger. Okay, we didn't do it right. Here we go. There we go. So just like that. And now it automatically feeds it, so you don't have to hold the trigger. You can just, go along how you want. Overall, guys, very nice. Very nice. Let go of the trigger, and once you let go of the trigger, then it automatically stops. Again, pull it back. You're good to go. If you want to push it forward, press the button in, push it forward. Very nice, guys. Very, very nice. High quality, and seriously, this is going to be awesome for doing foreclosures. So as you guys can see, nice and easy to use. You can go very fast, as you guys just saw. Overall, very nice, guys. Works great. Look at that. So fast, so easy, guys.